Good evening, one and all. Given the problem in this slide that the extension agent and the researchers face in facilitating direct contact with the farmers clients due to the physical distance involved in the lack of transportation needed for their mobility. The application of ICT offers excellent possibilities. And also, what is clear that the technology transfer efforts in agriculture must harness the huge potential of information communication tool to provide timely and appropriate technical advices to the needed farmers and enhance the farm productivity. With this background, an attempt was done to evolve the effective information and communication technology based technology transfer model called E-Velanmai. E-Velanmai means agriculture in Tamil language, that is electronic agriculture, for dissemination of agricultural information from a multidisciplinary team of agriculture scientists of Tamil Nadu Agriculture University directly to the needed farmers on the pilot basis in the appropriate technical advices to the needed farmers and the need basis to overcome the inadequate experiences to earlier technology transfer models and achieve the agricultural development in the region. The action research E-Velanmai is started during July 2007 and it being implemented with the support of World Bank aided TN IMWOM project by Government of Tamil Nadu. This presentation highlights about the E-Velanmai model and achievements and its impacts. I quickly go through this. The objective of E-Velanmai is to test and evolve the ICT enabled agriculture technology transfer model named E-Velanmai, addressing the farmers' problems. Those member farmers selected in the command area of Tamil Nadu, namely Aliyar, Palar and Varanagi sub-basins. Second foremost objective is to study the farmers pursued in the impact of E-Velanmai. The concept of ICT-based demand-driven and participatory technology transfer model in agriculture to provide timely agro-advisory services by a multidisciplinary team of scientists to the farmers using ICT tools like digital camera, computer, internet, mobile phone, etc. through field coordinator or volunteer farmers identified by the project. Why I say it is a demand driven? The member farmers whenever need advices, he immediately called to the field coordinator through mobile. So their demand is immediately. Then coming to the participatory technology. Why I am saying this participatory technology transfer model is all the farmers are enrolled in paying a membership nominal charges to this scheme. So this is an indicator for participation. The project operation in these, I already told, Aliyar, Palar and Varanagi basins of Tamil Nadu. It is an institution based approach, that is three water user associations were representing by the farmers belonging to the 10 to 12 villages. This is implemented. Actually, first the E-Velanmai project is started based on public model. Then it is converted to paid model or private model of extension in the various states and various water user associations. Actually, we are fixing the membership fees. Actually, we are conducting the brainstorming meeting at the farmers village level. They only finalize the membership fees. Farmers who are interested to avail the service of E-Velanmai, they accepted and asked to pay a membership fees of 50 to 300 per year depending upon the size of their farms. And also simultaneously we are providing the membership card to the enrolled farmers. In this card contains the farm details and a record of observation of and the technical advices. It is follow-up activities. Then first membership card is issued by Mr. Vipul Nair, IAS. He is the project director of TN IMWOM project Chennai. Then membership money is deposited in the name of water user account, joint account. That is in the name of water user as well as project leader. Coming to the components of E-Velanmai, there are 6 vital components of E-Velanmai are there. Farmers, multidisciplinary expert team, field coordinators or farmer volunteer, ICT tools, information about agriculture problems and technical messages. You see, this figure shows the double arrows indicate the information flow and the lines indicate the channels. What we done in field level is, we have identified a volunteer, farmers volunteer in a group of village or individual village. We can train skillfully how to use the digital camera, how to take photographs and all other, how to download the information from the expert team. And also institutional level, we have set up the two level of expert teams. One is state level and another one is district level. State level, we have set up in a 7 multidisciplinary team: entomologist, pathologist, horticulturist, and soil scientist, agronomist, etc. This district level is based on the agriculture research station as well as our Krishi Vigyan Kendra. We have framed like that. Then actually the process of ULN model in 3-stage process. First one is, any farmer who has a problem based query calls either to the field coordinator or the volunteer over mobile phone. Based on their queries, the field coordinators inspect the fields and depicting the photo and send using the fileflyer.com website. We have provided each sub-basin. We have appointed each sub-basin as one field coordinator. They are having ICT, all the ICT equipments, modem, digital camera and laptop, etc. Step 3 is, they are sending using the fileflyer.com. After receiving the information, that is photographs, they send what are the recommendations delivered to the farmers through mobile phone. Actually, this process every day happenings. That is, before 1 p.m. the field coordinator visits the farmers' fields. They can take the photograph and send it to the expert team. The day one itself, the field expert team analyze the problems and send back to the field coordinator. These are all the other extension activities we done. We organize technical seminars, campaigns, question and answer sessions, and field diagnosis visit with expert team. And also we organize the video campaign for success stories of the farmers. These are all the achievements we made. Total number of enrolled e-Valanmai farmer is 927. Then membership is mobilized nearly 65,000 rupees. So far we have conducted 59 meetings. Then 391 farmers trained by our field coordinators how to take a digital capacity building. That is how to take a photograph, how to use a laptop, and also our field coordinator trained the farmers' children also. They easily grasp, and the number of one farmers trained 43. These are all our achievements. These letters appreciated our IMM project director, and he only instrument for preparing. He says this success generated and project has culminated to novel concept of paid extension form. Then video film based on this we have prepared. That is the e-Valanmai, electronic agriculture. Sustainable e-Valanmai scheme. That is this project is a sustainable one. Because volunteer is identified at village level or cluster of village we identified, we trained them on behalf of field coordinator. After the project period also, this project can enable with the use of volunteers. Then farmer children are trained using ICT tools. Then membership is already deposited both the water restoration and the project scientist. This money is meted after the end of the project. This is the website of our e-Valanmai projects. Then linking websites, giving marketing informations and season crop reports. Then weather forecast information, file flyer. This is the e-Valanmai field register. For accountability and maintenance and follow-up activities, we prepared this. These are some of the diagnostic visit made by our expert team. Here our Ms. Anandi is our she is our field coordinator. She is trained the farmers and farmer volunteers. Then video campaigning conducted, capacity building where technical seminars. Then World Bank team, expert team appreciated our work. Then membership enrollment in eValMI. Women members also enrolled. The feedback of eValMI is all the member farmers able to adopt the scientific farming in practice. Then direct linkage with the TNUS scientist through mobile. Adoption of appropriate technologies and the timely access of timely advice, technical advices when they needed. Then they have skills to operate the ICT tools and save time to and effort to access the recommendations. And also they can acquire the knowledge about how to handle the pest control and disease control measures, etc. The outcome of eValMI is the model of technology transfer is found to be effective to solve problems based on the queries of the farmers in irrigated areas. Farmers participated in the extension process were convinced in its functioning. This model eValMI can be adopted by extension officers, KVKs for upscaling the benefits. Thank you.